up, guys? It's Ryan from RPS Dent Repair. We've recently came back from the Mobile Tech Expo in Orlando, Florida, and I wanted to share some of my experiences that weekend with you. I had the honor of spending some one-on-one time with Kazimiras from Stanliner Tools. He was truly spending the time with me to show me their technique, how to use the tools, what each tool did, and it was a really special hour and a half that I had with him on the one-on-one basis. So I wanted to share that opportunity with you because it does not happen all the time. So check out the video, let me know what you think. Appreciate it. Check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. I just wanted to truly show you the moments of the whole experience that I had with him. It was super loud in there, so we weren't able to keep the audio, but I wanted to at least give you the instance of what I experienced and how great it was. So thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.